Skein, skein, skein. A length of thread or yarn loosely coiled and knotted. Look at these skeins of wool rolled together. Look how they are coiled and knotted together into a bundle. Let's use skein in a sentence now. Tina held the skein of wool while her mother wound it into a ball. Skein, skein, skein. A flock of wild geese or swans in flight, typically in a V-shaped formation. Look at these swans flying. You can also call these a skein of swans. Similarly, this skein of geese is also flying in a V-shaped formation. Let's use skein in a sentence now. During migration, one can often spot a skein of Canada geese in the sky.